If I were in a birthday party, I would have 12 of these. It's not for the faint of hearts. I'm very happy right now. Hi, I'm Bruna, and today we'll be making Brigadeiro together. Every birthday party since I was a baby, there was one treat that could never be missed. Brigadeiro. You think I'm lying? I have proof. So this is it. This is my Snoopy-themed first birthday party in the 80s. And this is my second, 6th, 8th, 9th, 12th, 15th birthday party. All pictures of me with Brigadeiro. And this was all birthday parties in Rio. If there was birthday cake, you can count on eating Brigadeiro. But let me tell you the kind of kid I was. On a Saturday night, I would leave a neighborhood birthday party looking like this. No, I hadn't been invited. I had invited myself. There were so many kids at these parties, no one ever noticed me eating all the brigadeiros. All right, so let's talk about how we're gonna make these delicious treats. This recipe will take about an hour and 30 minutes, including waiting time. It will take about 10 minutes mixing the ingredients on the stove, and once it's done, we will wait for about an hour so the brigadeiro can cool. Then, we will spend some time rolling them into little balls for about 20 minutes. Let's talk ingredients! You will need a can of condensed milk. It's about 1.25 cups, a half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a tablespoon of butter, chocolate-flavored sprinkles, about 100 grams will do, and some baking cups. And you also need a pinch of salt. Okay, set the stove to medium heat, let the pot get hot, and add the butter. Add the condensed milk. Remember, different brands of condensed milk will have different textures. My favorite brand is California Farms Organic Condensed Milk. Add the chocolate. I prefer chocolate chips. Powder tends to get clumpy. Add the vanilla extract. And then add a pinch of salt. Stir for about 10 minutes. Once the mixture starts to pull away from the bottom of the pan, it's ready. All right, so here's the brigadeiro we just made. It's still a little warm, but earlier today I made another batch and it's cool and it's ready for us to roll. You notice the sprinkles are a little stubborn. That's because this batch of brigadeiro was a little too hard. Perfect brigadeiro is hard enough to keep its shape, but soft enough so the sprinkles like it. All right, let's give this a try. It's creamy like caramel, but it's made out of chocolate. And it's sweet, very sweet. The kind of sweet that makes my inner child very happy. Maybe a little hyper. I'll get a little hyper. All right, I'll keep eating my brigadeiros here, and thank you for cooking with me today. Bye.